I request Ms. Umadevi Ma'am of Siemens Technology and Service Limited to address the gathering.
Good evening. Is it loud? Hello. Distinguished members on the dais, respected professors, parents, and dear students. I already see some excitement in the audience. I think you're very much awaiting your program. I happened to come in earlier and I saw some lovely music being practiced. I'm also eagerly looking forward to that. But just I want to share a few thoughts which I had when I came to the campus. It took me back to the times when I was in college and I was trying to recall our annual events which we often looked forward to. Recently, I just want to say that engineering skills, engineering knowledge, pure science skills are always valuable. Even at our workplace today, even though we are in a software industry, we develop products and we see a huge need for core engineering skills. So I cannot tell you how important it is that you focus on your core engineering skills and excel in it. And in fact, whatever you do, I would say choose what you like to do, but excel in it. And this is a must. And the second thing which I want to say is, as college students, I think peer pressure is always there. And you want to belong to a particular group, or you want to dress in a particular way, or seen be the particular crowd. So while we acknowledge that it's a part of our life, I would ask you and caution you to just step back and just see and sometimes assess the situation. Is this what you want to do? Is this the values you want to take forward? Does it match with your inner comfort feeling and conscience? And then every now and then evaluate yourself whether it is the chosen path which you choose to do. I was recently at a conference on sustainability, and Mr. Azim Premji was addressing the gathering, and he was giving away awards for the winners who presented their projects on sustainability. And some of the students said, sir, how do we get into Wipro? How do we, what is the selection criteria and what should we prepare? So Mr. Premji said to the student, I think which was very relevant, he said, your job as a student is to study. So do that well, and the rest of the steps should take care of itself. He said, you excel in your studies, and then we do have some positions in the company. There is a selection criteria of which also marks are a part of it, and we have some other tests. So as a student, you should ensure that you fully focus on your studies. So, and some words about our company. We are always preparing to receive newer people into our company, and we see that at this moment in time we are working with almost 3 generations in the company. So we often have to change our methods, tools, collaborative media, everything to incorporate newer people coming into the company, because I think now you students are so much aware of technology, information, and we also have to adapt to newer ways of working. So we have introduced a number of tools, methods, communication media, and also have Twitter and all that in our company. So this is what I wanted to say. And I think some of the other points were covered also by my colleagues who spoke earlier. So I wish to congratulate you on this annual day, and I really wish you all the best. I congratulate all the winners who won some awards in academics and other cultural activities. I am totally impressed with your college. And when I was introduced as a guest of honor, I have never been honored in this way. I think it was my honor to be here and be called in and be given so many gifts, because I have never been given so many gifts. I was always sitting on the other side. So I just wonder, how am I surrounded with income tax commissioner and a person who's made so many institutions. So I would just like to say that I didn't have any goal or passion. So that's why I would like to ask you to have to analyze yourself and think, what am I good at? What do I like to do? Because I did well in academics, but just drifted along without a plan. I haven't done badly myself, I think, overall. But I think that was more my perseverance on the job at hand, which I tried to do well. So thank you for your patient listening, and I wish you to have a good evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. We all know Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, and Mrityorma Amritangamaya.
Light is the power that vanishes darkness and brings forth prosperity. I humbly request our chief guests and our dignitaries to please light the lamp of learning.
Thank you, dignitaries. Now over to Vijay. Thank you.
Good evening. At CEC, the effort has not only your academic success, but also to provide freedom and space to develop into creative and well-sounded individuals. I call upon our guests to present to you our college magazine, Eternal Enigma, which gives a glimpse of life at City Engineering College. Of applause. Thank you, guests.